Master the art of precise text alignment in Microsoft Word with this quick guide to setting tabs. First, make sure your ruler is visible. If it's not, go to the View tab and check the ruler box. The ruler is your visual guide for placing tabs. At the far left of the horizontal ruler, you'll find the tab stop selector. Click it to cycle through the different tab types: left tab, center tab, right tab, and decimal tab, indicated by corresponding symbols. Let's start with the left tab. Click anywhere on the ruler where you want your text to align. To the left, you'll see a small shaped marker appear. Now, place your cursor in your document, press the tab key, and start typing. Your text will jump to and align at that left tab stop. To set a center tab, click the tab stop selector again until you see the center alignment symbol. Then click on the ruler where you want your text centered. Press tab, then type. Your text will now be centered perfectly at that position. For right alignment, select the right tab symbol and click on the ruler. Press tab and type. Your text will align to the right at your chosen spot. Decimal tabs are perfect for numbers. Select the decimal tab symbol, often represented by a dotted L with a decimal point. Click on the ruler where you want your decimal points to align. Now, when you tab and enter numbers, the decimal points will snap into place, creating neat columns. For more advanced control, you can use the tabs dialog box. Select your text, right-click, choose paragraph, and then click the tabs button. Here, you can precisely set the position of each tab stop, choose its alignment, and even add leader dots. Click OK when you're done. Experiment with these different tab types to create professional lists, tables, and formatted text in your Word documents.